Stars don't just appear, they fight their way into existence. Every blazing sun you see in the sky was once a fragile cloud of dust, struggling against gravity to ignite. But what if I told you that some stars never make it, that some collapse under their own weight, failing before they can even shine? And yet, against all odds, others rise, burn, and shape the universe itself. Tonight, let's talk about the birth of stars, the cosmic battle between darkness and light that defines our universe. All right, picture this. Deep in space, a colossal cloud of gas and dust is just chilling, minding its own business. This cloud, called a molecular cloud, is the universe's version of a maternity ward, except instead of nurses and lullabies, we've got shockwaves from exploding stars and gravity slowly crushing everything together. And when gravity decides it's time for things to get serious, the cloud collapses, breaking into smaller pieces that start heating up, spinning, and pulling in more material. That, my friends, is how a protostar is born, basically a baby star still figuring itself out, like a toddler with an attitude problem. But here's the catch, it's not a real star yet. It's hot, it's dense, but until it can spark nuclear fusion, it's all talk. If it gathers enough mass and heats up to a scorching 10 million degrees Kelvin, boom, fusion ignites, and we have ourselves a fully fledged star. If it doesn't, well, it becomes a brown dwarf, the cosmic equivalent of getting benched before the big game. Now, stars don't just pop up randomly. They form in massive, beautiful nebulae often found in the spiral arms of galaxies. These stellar nurseries are full of drama. Some protostars make it to stardom, others get torn apart by bigger, meaner stars, and some are born so massive that they live fast, explode as supernovae, and leave behind black holes. And speaking of black holes, they're not just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They can actually help trigger new star formation by compressing gas clouds. Kind of like how pressure makes diamonds, except in this case, it's making flaming balls of nuclear fury. So in this endless cycle of creation and destruction, protostars are the first chapter in a story billions of years old, shaping galaxies, fueling cosmic evolution, and proving that even in the cold, dark vacuum of space, something incredible is always waiting to be born. I'll leave you to discuss in the comments. If you could name your own star, what ridiculous name would you give it? You can support us by subscribing if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.